Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum
You
salam.
you Muslim?
No,
No,
It's
she
okay.
and
O-
me, and she's
no.
Yazid.
Okay, but respect everyone. I love all
Thank you.
Yes,
exactly. No need to think about what religion, what color you are. Just we are same human.
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Multicultural.
Yeah?
Oh,
We are all
Bravo.
people. We love each other.
definitely. That's the true humanity.
Yes, that's
Ex-
true.
Thank you for being a true Muslim.
Religion you belong to.
No, I'm the belongs to the Islam.
Ah, nice.
But
MashaAllah.
mashallah, mashallah. So where are you from? German?
Yes, yes. I'm Turkish. She's from Iran, and she's from Syria.
Wow, what a place. What a place it is today. I have got three countries sister from three different
Yeah.
countries. Hi, assalamu alaikum.
Oh, I like your makeup. Your makeup very shiny.
No,
You look
I
you
don't
look
like
like
to
mom.
make.
I love your eye makeup.
Oh, it's
Oh,
okay, but fair enough. You look very beautiful. You both are very beautiful.
thank you. Oh, thank you. But your makeup is too beautiful. Thank you, but can you do like a makeup tutorial, please? Makeup tutorial.
Makeup on
Yes.
my face?
Yes. No, no, no.
Oh,
Show me how you do your. I want to be like you. I want to look
oh,
like you.
oh, okay. I don't use anything on my face yet. I don't
Yeah,
like
yeah.
this.
If you don't want us to look pretty, that's why you don't sell us makeup, bro. Show me how you do your blush. It's so pretty, like model.
Oh my God, I don't use anything yet. Even it's the natural, the natural face, what you are seeing right now. This is the
Oh, your
natural
natural
face.
face is beautiful, beautiful. But why do you have bronzer here and then you have blush here?
I don't know, but today I had just a trimming little bit. That's why probably you are looking at me like fresh.
Your English is very good.
Oh, because it's my big challenge to speak in English. I'm just learning English here, like having conversation.
Ooh, I want to support your business. What do you sell?
Look, first I started with a chicken farm, but I'm trying to grow up.
Ooh,
It is
chicken. I love chicken. I love me some chicken.
really
Yeah.
sounds great. Where are you from and what do you do?
I'm from Korea, and I came to Germany to study medicine.
That's great, but I think German is very good for medicine. I know that.
Yeah, yeah, and it's
What about
also free to.
exactly? But originally you from Korea? Are you Korean?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hmm? South Korea or North Korea?
Bro, are you serious? I'm from
Okay.
South Korea.
Okay, forget this. Okay, but what about the other sister?
She actually escaped from Syria. I'm really glad I met her here in Germany.
Oh, is she Syrian?
Yes.
Mashallah, mashallah. But what about the new president, new government in Syria? Like maybe I
Yes.
forgot the name. Is he a good
And my
person?
no, he's not. I mean, my friend and her family always crying when they see the news. It's so sad.
Oh,
I'm
that's
sorry.
very
It's
very
so sad,
sad,
bro.
very sad. But I do pray
Yeah.
for all of you so that you can really be free, be safe, and we want to live together in this planet in the peace.
Yeah, I know. You're right.
However, the hijab is really the true beauty of Islam, true beauty of woman. This is such a
I'm
good,
sorry. What
sorry,
is the true beauty of Islam?
the hijab. When any woman
Oh, yes.
really wear the
But
hijab,
she
it
is
looks so
Christian.
perfect. Hmm?
She is actually a Christian. She's a nun and she works in a
Oh, how
church.
ridiculous! How ridiculous! Maybe you are trying to blowing me up.
No, I don't want to blow you up because you're already blown up, but she is actually from a church, bro.
Oh, no, 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 no. Look, listen. When any person just comes in front of mine, so I can understand who are belongs to the Islam or who are belongs to the Christian or any other religion. But
Oh, okay.
I respect every single religion. But the way I can see to the sister, absolutely, you both are Muslim.
Yes, but you are from Bangladesh. Don't you like do like cow is very good?
Yeah, yeah. Mainly every single family has cattle farm in Bangladesh. Little bit or more.
Oh, so I don't eat cow because you like cow?
I do like. It's a best food.
Yeah, it's very delicious.
Yeah. But why did you say that you don't like that? How did you get this taste?
Cow tastes like Bangladesh people.
Oh, why did
Sorry, we skipped
listen,
you. It was an
listen.
accident.
Oh, accidentally you just skip it anyway. But do you want to live in German? Either you want to go back to your home country?
I want to live in Europe.
Europe. Do you like this culture?
No, not because of culture, but I like freedom.
Exactly. What about the other sister? Do you want to get back to your home country, Syria, or you want to live there?
Wat dirais-tu, Marc? Je me parler pareil, ce bonnet? بتخمخ. بخشمها تخيفون.
Oh,
Um, بعد. Yeah, yes, she wants to go back to Morocco.
oh,
To
okay,
Syria.
okay. Okay, but in a what? I would like to see scenario of the environment.
Yeah,
German, can you flip around your camera so that I can see, please?
of course.
Wow, what a great
Jetzt kommt die.
beauty it is. Very calm environment.
Yes.
Okay. We need to go now. Bye.
Okay, thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.